Hi, good evening, miss.
Hi, good evening.
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Barbara.
Oh, perfect, miss. Welcome to the Taino restaurant. My name is Graciel. I will be your waiter. I'm good. I'm good. I will be your waiter tonight.
Okay.
Now, this is the menu.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
I offer the local dishes with the local products.
Okay.
So, tonight, the special is the grilled salmon with baby potatoes. It's a very, very good place. So good. So, would you like to hear about it?
Yes. With the grilled fish, the name is in Dominican Republic. I think it's not like a marlins, not only salmon, but I prefer salmon.
Oh, perfect, perfect. So, would you like to drink something like water, glass of wine, or?
Yes, sparkling water, please.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
One moment.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect, miss. This is your sparkling water. Enjoy.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
So, are you ready for your order?
Yes, I choose the grilled salmon, please.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Would you like to drink a glass of wine or no?
Yes, do you have red wine?
Yes, I have.
Okay, perfect. And do you have Malbec?
Yes, I have one good too.
Okay, perfect.
Would you like to drink that?
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
Thank
One
you.
moment.
Okay.
Now, miss, this is your order. This is your wine. This is your salmon.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
I will be come back.
Okay, perfect.
How is everything, miss?
Oh, that was perfect.
Oh,
It's delicious. Thank you.
Delicious.
Yeah,
Enjoy, enjoy.
thank you.
Miss, I have a question. Would you like the dessert?
Oh, yes. What different desserts do you have?
I have tiramisu.
Okay.
I have the different cake like chocolate. Very, very good. So,
Tiramisu, please.
all perfect.
Yeah, thank you.
One moment, please. So, this
Oh, thank you.
this is your
wow,
dessert. Enjoy.
amazing. Thank you, Christian. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, enjoy. Miss.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Miss, are you finished with your food?
Yes, I'm finished. Thank you very much. The dinner was amazing.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you.
Enjoy, miss. Now, miss, this is your bill.
Okay, perfect. Okay, can I pay with credit card?
Yes, you can pay with credit card or cash.
Okay, perfect. With credit card. Thank you, Christian.
Thanks.
You done?
Yes.
You need
Yeah.
to sign the paper.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank
So-
you very much, Christian.
So, thanks for coming. Thanks for us.
Thank
Have
you.
a pleasant night.
Okay, you too. Thank you very much.
Thanks, miss.
Thank you. Thank you. It was wonderful.
Wonderful.